Let's begin by providing an overview of some of the most popular security frameworks that organizations use to manage their information security efforts. 1. ISO IEC 27001. This is one of the most widely recognized international standards for information security management. It provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive company information, ensuring it remains secure. ISO IEC 27001 outlines requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management system. 2. National Institute of Standards and Technology Cybersecurity Framework, developed by the U.S. Department of Commerce. This framework provides a policy framework of computer security guidance for how private sector organizations in the US can assess and improve their ability to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber attacks. It's particularly popular among US companies and offers a flexible approach that can be customized to meet the needs of different organizations. 3. Control objectives for information and related technologies. This is a framework for developing, implementing, monitoring, and improving its governance and management practices. It helps organizations to create optimal value from it by maintaining a balance between realizing benefits and optimizing risk levels and resource use. 4. Center for Internet Security Controls. These controls are a set of best practices for securing IT systems and data against cyber threats. They are prioritized and actionable recommendations that organizations can implement to improve their cybersecurity defenses. Each of these frameworks offers a structured approach to managing and improving information security, and the choice of framework often depends on the organization's specific needs and regulatory requirements. After understanding the various frameworks, the next step is to learn how to implement these security standards within an organization. Implementing a security framework involves several key steps. 1. Gap analysis. The first step in implementing a security standard is to conduct a gap analysis. This involves comparing the organization's current security practices with the requirements of the chosen framework. The gap analysis helps identify areas where the organization needs to improve to meet the framework standards. 2. Developing a plan. Based on the results of the gap analysis, the next step is to develop an implementation plan. This plan should outline the specific actions that need to be taken to align with the framework, including the resources required, timelines, and responsible parties. 3. Policy and procedure development. Implementing a security standard often requires the development or revision of security policies and procedures. These documents should reflect the requirements of the framework and provide clear guidance for employees on how to manage information security. 4. Training and awareness. Successful implementation also depends on ensuring that employees understand the new policies and procedures. This requires conducting training and awareness programs to educate staff about their roles in maintaining security. 5. Technology and tools. Implementing a security framework may also involve adopting new technologies or tools to support security practices. For example, implementing ISO IEC 27001 might require investing in risk management software or upgrading encryption technologies. 6. Monitoring and continuous improvement. Once the framework is implemented, it's crucial to establish processes for monitoring compliance and continuously improving security practices. This involves regular audits, reviews, and updates to ensure that the organization remains aligned with the framework's requirements. Implementing a security framework is not a one-time project, but an ongoing process that requires commitment from all levels of the organization.